Good morning, everyone. My name is Padila Prasad. I was a GUMC student in 1981 batch. Today is the great occasion, and also it's a sad news for GGH, as Dr. Ramana Garu is retiring. I know Dr. Ramana Garu for last 2 years, and I've been closely associated with him since then. I met many superintendents in the past, but I had a close connection with Dr. Ramana Garu. I seen firsthand myself how he works. I used to spend a lot of time during my visits to GGH, and even I attended Friday patient family conferences with him, and he's making the GGH premises very clean, which never seen before. He's very instrumental in improving the facilities in GGH. For example, I introduced one time Raja Karanam Garu, who is late Dr. Nemmala Gari husband, and since then their bond got stronger, and because of Raja Gari help, he brought 6 ROI plants to the GGH for patients and doctors. And also, Raja Garu built a state-of-art amphitheater on his wife name, Dr. Nemmala. He was instrumental in bringing Sushrita statue to the GGH also, with the help of Dr. Ramana Garu. Dr. Ramana Garu is instrumental in renovating Dr. Yellapragada Subbarao Gari block with help of Dr. Tathineni Gopal Rao Garu, which was inaugurated 2 days ago. I thank Dr. Gopal Rao Garu, Dr. Raja Karanam Garu for their enormous help in uplifting GGH. Dr. Ramana Garu is instrumental in the functioning and inauguration of MCH block, Kanuri Gymkhana MCH block, which is about 650 bed hospital at GGH. He is instrumental in bringing PET scan to the GGH, and also inauguration of 2 floors at Padila block, which will be completed by year end. I thank Ramana Garu for his tireless efforts for improving the patient care and making sure GGH is not less than corporate hospitals in Guntur. And I read so many articles about him, and it's very sad to know he's leaving GGH, but I'm sure he will continue to do his charitable work through several organizations he was involved. I wish him good health in his retirement, and I thank for all his efforts. Thank you all.